Snow day number 2 in New York. You ready, Em?
There's so much snow. Look at it.
Let's get out there.
I'll put my glove on first.
Oh, that's a good idea. That's crazy.
Look at the back of the car. There's like a foot of snow out the back.
Okay. Oh dear. You ready? You ready? Watch this.
It's deep.
Look at the. So much snow. Oh. Hey Emma. It's like being in the Antarctic. It's pretty snowy out there.
Yeah.
Coffee. So much snow.
We've no place to go. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
So me and Emma are prepared for the snow. Beanie, scarves, the whole bit. But Ollie, I think he's going skiing.
Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. And the fire is slowly dying. And my dear, we're still.
Your eyelashes have snow in them.
So pretty. It's a new trend.
Oh, I see.
What did you do?
Did you get on film? Yes, Lou. I fell over.
Why didn't I see that?
I jumped in here and I slipped and it went. Where'd she come from? Yeah, today there's no one. Yesterday this place was packed. Trekking through the snow. It's hard work.
You just want to go through the deepest.
Yeah, if you go on the path, it's great. Oh, that was just a deep bit. That's actually quite easy now. We battled the snow. We made it all the way down here. About to get on the boat. Let's see how that goes. Might be rocking a bit.
Don't say that.
It's gonna be flat and calm, and it'll be like, I don't know, glass. Yeah. Just like smooth across it.
What did I
You
sign up
excited?
to?
I am excited.
It's gonna be fun. You ready?
Yeah, don't look up. Lady Liberties.
Let's do this.
So let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
The island, snow everywhere. There's a awesome Orange County Chopper's bike, which is pretty cool. And we're doing a tour. Let's go. I see you, Em. She's walking like a penguin.
And the fire is slowly dying. And my dear, we're still goodbye.
too cold, so we came inside. We're going to listen to the rest of the audio guide and have something to eat and drink because I'm frozen, like completely. I think that might have been because I fell in that big thing of snow. Maybe, but I think inside's a better way to go. On a nice day, I'm sure that's a great view, but today, it's like snow everywhere, it's freezing cold, windy. The sea isn't too rough actually, or the water, the Hudson. It's not too rough, which is nice. We're going to Ellis Island now, which is going to be pretty cool. That's the only reason we did this, was for Ellis Island. Statue of Liberty was a bonus. But then when we're getting off, they told us that we're not going to Ellis Island today, just Statue of Liberty back to New York. And we're like, no, that's where we want to go. So luckily we got the last boat to Ellis Island, do the tour of that and then head back. So they kicked us out early, so now we're waiting for a boat, but it's just not coming.
That's like a horror movie style, isn't it?
Yeah, something like that. Here she goes! Snow Angel! Done it yet! That wasn't deep at all! It would have been better to go here! Just here, Ollie! And they're gonna move your arms and legs.
It's very.
The
What?
GoPro got buried in my Snow Angel, but it looks cool. Oh. Alright, so the GoPro got buried in the snow, but it's fine because it's a GoPro. Then we had a war, which was fun.
We won.
I won. It's 2 against 1, so I got an advantage, so I won.
It's 2 against 1 because you always start.
Yeah. But New York seems to be back to normal. There's a line at the Bull again. And yeah, everything seems to be fine. If this was England, it would shut down.
Yep.
But New York, they just keep going. Smartest mode of transport today, the train.
Let it snow, let it snow.
This is what the line at TKTS looks like.
You think it's fast?
It's crazy. Yeah. We've come home and got warm. It was a crazy day out there on Ellis Island and Statue of Liberty Island. It's not called Statue of Liberty.
It's called Liberty Island.
Liberty. It's called Liberty Island? Okay. On Liberty Island. So we've gotten warm, now we're gonna go get food.
Yay.
Where are we going? Maybe that's
Get
it.
No. To get ramen.
Ramen?
Or
Ramen.
Asian food.
Asian food?
Yeah. Which is funny because we got Asian food twice in New York. And in London we always have Asian food.
That's what we like. We know what we like. Anyway guys, I'm gonna end this here. You have a good one. I'll see you soon.
Let it